Welcome viewers. Let's start with our top focus this hour. During the last leg of the election campaign, the Prime Minister has once again targeted the Aam Aadmi Party, and this time at a rally in Hoshiarpur. Prime Minister Modi has taken the Udta Punjab jibe at the Aam Aadmi Party, attacking the ruling government. He has accused the party leaders of being drug traders. He has also said that the government, which was once promising to make Punjab Nasha Mukt, has now given a free license to drug dealers in the state. Not just that, referring to the alleged liquor gate, the Prime Minister also said that the world is aware of Aam Aadmi Party's role in the excise policy scam. Listen in.
ये लोग क्या क्या बातें करते थे। कहते थे पंजाब को नशा मुक्त करेंगे और नशा मुक्त के इतने भाषण किए पूरे पंजाब को बदनाम करने वाली उड़ता पंजाब फिल्में बनाई थी, चारों तरफ बदनामी की थी। लेकिन इन्होंने आते ही नशे को ही अपनी कमाई का साधन बना दिया है। दिल्ली के शराब घोटाले को पूरी दुनिया जान चुकी है। यहां खनन माफिया भी बेलगाम चल रहा है। इन कट्टर भ्रष्टाचारियों ने, भयंकर झूठवादियों ने पंजाब को गैंग वॉर में झोंक दिया है।
In fact, my colleague Amandeep joins us live on the broadcast to get us more details on this. Amandeep, very stinging attack there by the Prime Minister, who's not just accused the Aam Aadmi Party of promoting drugs, but he's also taken a jibe at them over the excise policy scam.
Well, absolutely, Ashish. Prime Minister has sharpened his attack on Aam Aadmi Party just because Aam Aadmi Party is in power since 2022. And in fact, the party who came in power by claiming earlier to wash away the drugs issue in the state of Punjab. Once again, in Lok Sabha elections, the drug turned out to be one of the prominent issues among the voters as well. And that is the reason Prime Minister has mentioned this drug issue from the stage and alleged and accused Aam Aadmi Party to make it legal and open the shops of the drugs so that people should indulge it again. Prime Minister has also mentioned one thing, that Punjab was earlier branded as a drug state, and in fact the movies has also been made on the Punjab like Udta Punjab, and even still Aam Aadmi Party is not concerned about the drugs issue in the state of Punjab. And he has also mentioned about the liquor gate. Technically the liquor policy which was in Delhi, on the similar lines, Punjab government has also made the policy of liquor policy on the lines of Delhi as well. So that is the reason somewhere down the line it is interconnected. Some of the officers has exchanged the ideas of making the liquor policy as well. So certain allegations put up by Prime Minister against Aam Aadmi Party, Ashish, just because one thing we need to understand, that in Punjab the Lok Sabha elections is all about the local issues. The national issues has not been taken up by the politicians from the stages, and even the people are questioning about the local issues to their politicians, candidates and the ruling party as well, that what they have done regarding their promises as well. So that is the reason Prime Minister has came down against Aam Aadmi Party very heavily regarding these issues which are prominent in this Lok Sabha elections. Yes.
Absolutely, Amandeep. Like you rightly pointed out, local issues dominating the political landscape in Punjab, and the Prime Minister, rightfully so, of course, attacking the ruling Aam Aadmi Party over the drug menace that Punjab is battling with. Appreciate you joining us on the broadcast with all those details. In fact, our